Now let's simplify this math problem without a calculator. That is 16 to the power 5 subtract 16 to the power 4. Okay. So the first step here, we can express 16 as 2 to the power 4. Let's substitute this. So this is the same thing as 2 to the power 4 raised to the power 5 subtract 2 to the power 4 raised to the power 4. So the next step here, you'll have 2 to the power, now this is 4 times 5, this is actually equal to 20, subtract 2 raised to the power 4 times 4, which is basically equal to 16. The next step here, we can be able to express 20 as 16 plus 4, subtract 2 to the power 16. Now, you can see that 2 to the power 16 plus 4, this is actually in the form of 8 to the power n plus m, which we can express as 8 to the power n multiplied by 8 to the power m. Now, applying this exponent property, we'll have here 2 to the power 16 multiplied by 2 to the power 4 subtract 2 to the power 16. Now, 2 to the power 16 is common. Let's factor out 2 to the power 16. We'll have 2 to the power 16 into the parentheses here. We'll have 2 to the power 4 subtract 1. Okay? And you find that 2 to the power 4, this is equal to 16. So we'll have 2 to the power 16. Okay? Into the bracket here, we'll have 15. Okay? This is 16 subtract 1. This is equal to 2 to the power 16, okay, multiplied by 16 minus 1, this is equal to 15. So we have 2 to the power 16, okay, multiplied by 15. Now, we can be able to express 2 to the power 16 as 2 to the power 10 plus 6, okay. So again, applying this exponent property, we'll have 2 to the power 10, okay, multiplied by 2 to the power 6, multiplied by 15. So we can express 2 to the power 16 as 2 to the power 10 plus 6. Applying the exponent property, that is 8 to the power n plus m as 8 to the power n multiplied by 8 to the power m. Applying this property, then we'll have 2 to the power 10 multiplied by 2 to the power 6 multiplied by 15. So here, 2 to the power 10, this is actually equal to 1024. And 2 to the power 6, this is actually equal to 64. So now from here, we'll have 1024 multiplied by, now we have 64 multiplied by 15, of which we can express this as 1024 multiplied by 64, and then we can express 15 as basically as 10 plus 5. Okay, so let's proceed again here. We have 1024 multiplied by, now this is 64 times 10, this is 640, okay, plus 64 times 5, actually this is equal to 320. Now let's proceed here. This is equal to 1024. Now we have 640 plus we have 320 here, and this is actually equal to 960. So it's 1024 times 960. The next step here, we'll have 1024 multiplied by 960. We can express 960 basically as 1000 subtract 40. If you say 1000 minus 40 is the same thing as 960. So we'll have 1000 subtract 40. The next step, we'll have 1024 times 1000, which is actually 1,024,000, subtract 1024 times 40. And this is actually equal to 40,960. Okay. So the last step here, we subtract 10, that is 1,024,000 minus 40,960. So here you'll have 1024,000, okay, subtract 40,960. So here we'll have 0, then here 10 minus 6, this is actually 4, 9 minus 9, this is actually 0. Here we have 3, okay, and then here we have 8, and then 9. So the last step here. Let's subtract 1,024,000 minus 40,960. So here we'll have 983,040. So this is the solution here. This is the solution. Thank you for watching.